Every day I work with people and I aspire inside myself. I come to understand more and more about codependent behaviors and co-creative relationships. And they're two completely different emotional operating systems. What I wanted to share was how when we're in codependency, we can't fully be ourselves because we're frightened of losing the relationship. So we're sort of more focused on the outcome rather than the actual connection that we're creating in that moment. And codependency is an emotional operating system where we have a feeling and then we jump in our head to try and fix it or to get what we need to make ourselves feel okay or to sort of be loving in a way that really doesn't involve our heart. So these relationships that we have that are run on dynamics where we're giving, or abandoning ourselves to run them, we're sort of here running all these dynamics, trying to get our relationships right. And we never actually rarely get into our heart. And if my heart isn't activated, if my heart is not in my relationship, how can I feel connected? How can I feel the love? How can I feel supported? I can't, because my heart is not in the relationship. I am not emotionally present in my own relationship, which often also means that the partner that I've chosen is not emotionally present either, because I'm not likely to choose an emotionally present partner if I can't be emotionally present. They just wouldn't be attracted to that. So I feel the solution is all about activating your heart. The more you can activate your heart and be heartfully in your relationship, which means you've got to know how to be in an emotional operating system that uses your feeling to create connection. But then what you get is a co-creative relationship. And because your heart is always in the relationship, you always feel like you're in this honeymoon period because you're always in love. Because your heart is always in your relationship. Doesn't that make so much sense to you?